Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to find out the website owner of any website that you want. So today we're going to show you how to find out the website owner, whether you need to contact the site owner or business inquiries, partnerships, or even reporting some issues. There are several methods that you can use to discover their identity. So follow this step-by-step guide to find out the owner of a website in 2024. So let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. So let's inflict, of course, or let's start by an example. Let's just say, as example, I don't know which website should we go in. Maybe I'll just type maybe Wikipedia or something like that. I'll just type something like random, which is gloves. Let's just see if we find the websites this is related to gloves or something like that. That's Amazon. I'll just go to like a website that does not has a lot of SEO ranking or not a store at least. Like everything is store here. So what's about like a fruits or something like that? So I'll just type fruits in here and scroll down maybe. And yeah, let's say this one. So I'll just go and get into this website. And as you can see, this website, let's say we want to know who owns or who is the website's owner. Of course, normally, most of the websites, you'll find this contact us option. And once you click on contact us, as you can see, you'll be able to contact them. And as example, if they are not, if you already that this is not the website's owner email, you can simply just ask of the owner if you want to know. But what about other websites that does not have the option of contact us? What should you do? Of course, you can use the WHOIS app or WHOIS lookup services. Starts with WHOIS lookup. WHOIS, of course, database store information about domain registrations, including the owner contact details. So you can visit WHOIS as an example. So I'll just go open new tab, type WHOIS, hit the enter button, and as you can see, you can simply just go to this first option, which is WHOIS domain name and identity for everyone. So I'll just go and click on that. And as you can see in here, every great idea starts with a great domain name. So as you can see here, you can get like the domain names and etc. So it might not be this one, but let me just try as example with google.com and see if it's the right one. Yeah, it's not the right one, sorry. So yeah, it's the second one. WHOIS this one? Who.is. WHOIS. So here's an example. Let me just try with google.com, hit the enter button, and yeah, so they give you the information about anything. So here, I'll just go and check as an example, check with this domain name. So I'll just go and get that, hit Control C, here Control V, and search. As an example, and WHOIS, an example, this one. So you'll find like, first of all, similar domains. We will display stored WHOIS data up for 30 days. So we currently like WHOIS data currently unavailable. So example, data of this person is unavailable. What about like, I'll try another thing as an example. What about like facebook.com? So as an example, it's registered by the name of register save, LLS, and information's here. Important date, like example, it's going to expire on this date. Register on date on this date, example. There's like a store here on my country. I'll just look for it. So example.com, hit the enter button. As an example, here you'll find everything about so where it's expire, when it's going to expire, when it's registered, when it's updated. Example, you'll find the name servers, similar domains. Example, like registrant contacts information as an example. So kind of basically everything that you need to know about it and etc. So here it seems like you can check the website's contacts page and even review everything about it. But of course, all of that, you'll be able to do it if you didn't find like the contact us page or about page as an example. So if you go to any website normally, like let's say just I'm going to google.com as an example. So let me just check google.com. So if we scroll down here as an example, we'll find an about option. What's about if we click on that as an example? So basically be able to find all the information that we need to know about Google and from who's the owner of it and to everything. So as you can see, so about the like, what about Facebook as an example? So Facebook, of course, I'll just go and try to go in a incognito mode. Why? Because like I already logged into a Facebook account, so I don't want to get into that. So here's an example. Let me just check if there is like an about a page or something like that. So sign up, messenger, etc. Like store, developers, about. Yeah, as you can see here, I'll just click on it. And as you can see, they take me here. So they'll tell me everything about it. So as you can see, I can know the owner from here and a lot of other informations. But as I said, some websites will not have this about. For example, I'll just try with this one that I just show you, which is this one as example. So this one, and okay, maybe I type it like wrong. So, or maybe it's not .com. So I'll just remove that and type yes and do this. Okay, it should not be like that. I'll just do this. Okay, so oh, I like enter it wrong. So it should be .ma and hit the enter button. So you can see here, if we scroll down example to the bottom or something like that, will we find like an about page or something like that? So as example, no, there's just contact us. So what's about if contact us is not enough, about page. So as you can see, they even don't have like a lot of data about it. So it seems like this website, you'll not be able to get a lot of it. Of course, you can even like basically scroll down to the bottom of each or any website that you want and look for copyright notice as an example. And these notice often includes like the name of the individual or company that owns the website, and the copyright information of course can give you like a clue about the website's owner identity. You can even like search for the website associated social media profiles, website open links, like there is social media with its account, and you can even use some website analysis tools like similar web or Alexa, or to gather like some additional informations about the website. And you can even contact the web like hosting provider if like you really want to know, and I guess they will probably sponsor you unless they are setting it on a private, so nobody wants to know who they are. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.